Hey everyone, if you have a hand-drawn wireframe or rough sketch and want to turn it into a professional digital design, Uizard AI makes the process incredibly simple. In this video, I'll show you how to convert sketches to designs in Uizard AI from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Uizard website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, create a new project and look for the Sketch to Design or Screenshot Scanner feature. This is the tool that allows Uizard to transform drawings into editable digital interfaces. Next, prepare your sketch. It can be a hand-drawn wireframe on paper, a whiteboard drawing, or a rough digital mock-up. Make sure the sketch is clear, readable, and well-lit if you're using a photo. Now upload the sketch image to Uizard. The platform will analyze the layout and identify common interface elements such as buttons, text areas, forms, navigation menus, cards, and containers. After processing is complete, Uizard will generate a digital version of the sketch. Within a few moments, your rough wireframe will be transformed into editable UI components. For the best results, use clear sketches, keep layouts organized, and spend time refining the generated design after the AI completes the conversion. And that's how to convert sketches to designs in Uizard AI in 2026. It's a powerful way to transform ideas from paper into interactive digital prototypes in a fraction of the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.